Oh, last question today.
Jack,
what up? This was in the Facebook group. I'll read this one.
Right.
Should I do like a sassy voice?
Like Jack?
Don't let others tell you that credit cards are not a good idea. It's a great idea if you're responsible. I've always had a credit card and cancelled it earlier this year due to applying for a home loan. Then, 2 days ago, bought my mum a last-minute flight to overseas from my savings account. Facepalm. Realised I got to get her travel insurance too. Oh no, there goes another $700 of after-tax money for her 1-month travel insurance. My heart bleeds. Had I used a credit card to purchase the trip, the insurance would have been covered by the credit card.
The airways went off, didn't they, on that?
They did explode. Should I open the Facebook group and just read some real-time comments for a bit of fun? But what I do want to say, I think you'll find, Jack, that if you have a credit card and you pay for someone's flight who isn't your child, a spouse or partner, or an additional card holder who meets the tick boxes and all that, they're not going to activate the insurance.
Yeah, Mum would have to have her own card, right?
Yes. I'm just having a look here.
And she's talking like Amex or something like that.
Probably. Yeah, like I looked at the because I've got that Amex Business Rewards for work.
Yeah.
I was looking at that credit card policy, and it was exactly what I just said.
Yeah, I had the same.
They generally don't give out free insurance to randoms.
Covers your family, but
yeah.
That's the thing. You look at the insurance, the fee annually, and you're always $300 or more
I think
for
mine's
those cards.
$450 a year.
Yeah. So you say, okay, $700 of insurance.
Yeah, I mean, this episode's going up on the 2nd of September. On the 8th of September, so next week, by the time people do this, I'm jumping on a plane and doing my around-the-world flight.
Look at you.
And I paid with the Amex. I'm just using their insurance.
Yeah.
I've got confidence in it. I've looked at the policy and all that. Travel insurance sidebar, it's actually because, there is so much markup in it. One, because they pay the travel agents heaps of money to flog it. Two, there's not many claims. So 3, when a claim happens, it's usually an easy claim to get out of. I've had to claim on it once when I had to go to a dentist in the US, and they just literally, it was just so easy.
And does it cover cancelled flights and things like that?
Yeah, but you've got to make sure you book the flights and get the insurance right away. So if they cancel the flight, you're going to go and run and get travel insurance.
No, cart before the horse. And you've got to pay on that card, right?
Yes, that's right. So I had to laugh at this one. Shannon said, $700 seems steep. Are you traveling to Afghanistan with an oxygen concentrator? Nah, the mother's a senior who's 75 years old. Oh, no, I'm so funny. I wrote, sounds like a dream vacay. Mark said, I was going to post a similar question on credit card insurance. This would be my first time traveling overseas after obtaining this credit card. There is default Covermore insurance for self and family traveling with the CBA Ultimate Rewards. Should I be taking a separate travel insurance policy? Well, I don't think so, Mark. Yeah, this was a good one from Sophia James, no relation. If I married someone with a surname James, would you have to make them change their name to my James, or would I change it to their James?
Yeah. Take your pick.
I see a lot of comments on credit card travel insurance being quote-unquote useless. So I thought I'd share the great experience that I had. I got sick while on holidays in the States this past Christmas with a very serious condition that landed me in a bed in hospital for a week and needing very expensive treatment. Amex and their, I don't want to mention the name, but I accidentally did, and their insurance were incredible. They followed up and provided me with support by a registered nurse daily and covered my entire hospital bill that was $100K US.
I've heard that. They've always
Estelle
been
said
good.
credit card insurance is garbage. You did the right thing buying a separate policy. I'm going to probably disagree with that one because it's just a group policy. Like the Amex one that I looked at was just a Chubb travel insurance group policy. If I got a claim, I'm not calling Amex, I'm calling Chubb.
Yeah, no, I read up on the last one I used. It was fine. But I think it comes back like to the credit card bit. The
get on with your
root
life.
of the issue for people is they spend dangerously on it, don't they? So yeah, you're not buying a card. Or you're not taking out a credit card for points or travel insurance as a primary. If you're not disciplined with your day-to-day spending.
Yeah. So as I said, we did an episode. I don't know if it's going to be up after today. I'm just having a look. It might have been, a couple of weeks ago. I had James and Phil in here. And we did an episode and we talked about, points hacking and all that crap. I don't use a credit card for day-to-day expenses. I've got one in the business.
In the business.
Yeah, it's really easy because Jess has got a card, Rachel's got a card, Ryan's got a card. They can buy anything they need for work. I see it. It says the person who used it.
Yeah.
They send the receipt to Dext. I get on with my life. They can spend whatever they want as long as it's needed. And if I say, what's that for? If they don't have a good reason, there's going to be a new sheriff in town and a position vacant. So that's kind of the that's why I've got one in there. And we put all our we've got almost $40,000 worth of subscriptions that I just do it on that. So, but yeah, for personal, I just have my Up Bank card.
Yeah.
I just don't run my life around the fringe optimization strategies.
Yeah.
I do my life, my ordinary course of business. Sure, I'll pick up some points on the Amex. If they said, Glenn, we're taking your Amex tomorrow for business, I'd be like, sweet, no worries. I'll just go back to using the ANZ business card.
Yeah, that's right.
This is the whole trap. You can't, in full circle, you can't outsmart the normal laws of gravity with life. So live on less than you earn, invest the rest, keep it simple. Don't be getting a new credit card every week and, I'll get this and activate that and spend $3,000 in the first 3 months and do this. And the old analogy that I used to talk about in my online course and seminars, remember those, and you probably remember when I tell you, the old illusionists in Vegas, Siegfried and Roy.
No.
They were the illusionists with the white they had the tiger on stage. Had a white tiger.
Oh, right. Yeah, gotcha. Yeah.
So Siegfried and Roy, they were these illusionists, and there's a photo here.
Yeah.
And they had these tigers on stage in Vegas, and they had the permanent spot, and they'd actually tamed the tiger for the live show. So they had tamed their credit card.
Yeah.
Using it, everyone get a tiger for your show.
Yeah.
Do you know what the tiger's designed to do? Did you know there's 3 things on Earth that actively hunt humans? I learned this on Alone the other night. Polar bear,
Right.
tiger, and other humans.
Right.
Just innate. If you see a tiger in the bush,
Run.
you must not be in Australia. If you see a polar bear in the bush, you must not be in Australia. They're going to get you. So they tame the tiger until it turned around and mauled one of them live on stage. And it took 4 men and a fire extinguisher to get the tiger.
Yeah.
It will always catch up on you.
Yeah.
The chickens will always come home to roost. Don't try and optimize. Don't try and just live your life. Be strategic. Be on purpose. Be focused. Be disciplined. Turn off the noise.
Yeah.
Buy travel insurance for mum. Big deal. Keep your credit card closed. Also, do what you want. Don't care. Hey, it's Glen here. Thank you so much for watching today's video. You made it to the end. Can I ask a favor? Can you hit that like button? And maybe hit subscribe if you want to get notified when we release further videos just like this one, whether you watch the Money, Money, Money podcast or Retire Right. And remember, if you want to learn more about investing, I've got an investing book, The Quick Start Guide to Investing, and there's a link in the description to get your hands on a copy. Thank you so much. Bye.